ST5B deals with digital citizenship, which is the continuous developing norms of using technology appropriately, responsibly, on a daily basis. It involves 9 elements, all of which these are included in those 9. One is digital access, digital communication and collaboration, digital etiquette, digital fluency, digital law, which comes from acceptable use policies, just legal protection for a person's creative side. All of that is included with information technology and fluency as well. Digital rights and responsibilities. You have the fair use doctrine, copyright and public domain, freely use limited amounts of copyrighted material for education, plagiarism, using someone else's work. All of these we have a right and responsibility to maintain and uphold when using technology. Security and privacy deals with bullying, cyberbullying, certain digital tools, cheating, which is also using technology without permission. All of these facets fall under digital citizenship as well as information literacy. But all these concepts build upon safety, internet safety, safety when using technology resources, providing a guideline and principles to help students, teachers, staff, and administrators make the best decisions when using technology integration.